Rangade Basanti Chola. Simultaneously, investigation about the Sandhurst assassination was on. Police were succeeding too. Somebody informed police about large purchases of raw explosives. Ghulam Rasul, a blacksmith who was to make bomb shells, informed the police for the reward. Deputy Superintendent of Police Abdul was in charge of the case. With the assistance of Ghulam Rasul, Deputy Superintendent Abdul raided building number 69. It was 16th April 1929. A house was raided. Sukhdev opened the door himself. He tried to avoid the police, but police forcibly entered the house and arrested him. Jai Gopal and Kishori Lal were also arrested. Large ammunitions and explosives were confiscated. Some youngsters could not stand the torture and broke down, revealing the association of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Jai Gopal. The case was put before the special magistrate in Lahore Central Jail before Justice Sri Krishna. It was 10 July 1929. Accused were Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Batukeshwar Datta and Jatindra Nath and 12 others. All the accused were shouting, Vande Mataram, Inqilab Zindabad. They were singing patriotic songs all the time. All the revolutionaries used to sing patriotic songs and utter slogans even in the court. Since the 14th July 1929, there was an agitation in the jail. The demand was to declare revolutionaries as political prisoners. They were tortured and forced to have food. Fasting continued nearly for 2.5 months. Jatindra Nath died on 13 September 1929. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose took his body for his last rites. Finally, government agreed to divide prisoners in groups of A, B, C, D and their privileges defined. Pune was witnessing another drama on 30th September 1929. Rajguru and Savargaonkar were staying together. Lahore police, with the aid of Pune police, arrested them along with their pistols. They were presented before the magistrate on 17th October 1929. Simultaneously, assembly bomb case too came before the High Court. The proceedings lasted only for 4 days. Bhagat Singh gave his own defense. The defense was precise, but was of no use as verdict was already decided. They were convicted on 13 January 1930. Proceedings started before Special Court of Justice Coldstream from 5th May 1930. Revolutionaries were singing and shouting slogans as usual. They were warned by the court not to disturb the working of the court, but of no heed. Proceeding continued before the Special Court from 23rd June 1930. On 8th October 1930, verdict was given. Chandrasekhar Azad, Kailaspati, Yashpal, Bhagwati Charan Bora, Sadguru Dayal were declared absconding. Case against Batukeshwar Datta was withdrawn. Sukhdev was proved as a link for assassination and sentenced for life, which later changed to be hanged till death. Bhagat Singh and Rajguru were to be hanged till death. Whole country was agitated. Government faced severe criticism. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev demanded to be shot dead as if they were prisoners of war and not to be hanged like an ordinary criminal, but to no heed. Everyone in jail and in city came to know about these hangings. People started agitations before the jail. All three were taken to place of hanging by 7 in the evening. Government itself broke the laws it had made about the hangings. They were shouting Vande Mataram, Inqilab Zindabad. They were to be hanged simultaneously. Bhagat Singh told the British magistrate, "You are fortunate to witness how gracefully the patriots embraced the death." It was 7:30 p.m. The trio was hanged.